Hello, 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 hello. Welcome to my channel. It's called Cooking My Way with Sister Faye. I'm Sister Faye, and I hope y'all having a wonderful day. Okay, let's get started. Today, I will be making some banana pudding. So first, I'm going to take this vanilla pudding, instant vanilla pudding, pour this package in. And I'm going to take another one, instant vanilla pudding, and pour this package in. Now, I'm going to take me some Daisy sour cream. I'm going to put most of this in. Like 3/4 for this 16-ounce container. Stir it around. I'm going to put like 3 top full. It's the top here that goes with the bottle. It's 1, 2, 3. 3 top full of vanilla extract. Pour a little more milk. This was 1 cup of milk over here. 1 cup of whole milk. Now I'm going to put like 3 big scoops of Cool Whip. With 4 big scoops. So 4 big scoops of Cool Whip. I'm going to pour in the remaining portion of this milk. Mix it all up. Let's beat this for like 3-4 minutes. Make sure everything is smoothing out. Well, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. Gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. Don't know. Don't know. Don't know. Don't know. Gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. Gonna take my horse to the old town road, ride till I can't no more. I got my daughter in the back, she acting kinda whack, 35 years old, and she's still talking back. I'm gonna beat her butt, y'all gonna wish me luck. The way that child been acting, I just might get cut. Well, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road, ride till I can't no more. And take my horse to the old town road, ride till I can't no more. Doom doom, doom doom, doom doom, doom doom. Woo. Okay, that's just like being now. Just might be enough. Put the foundation down on this pan here. I'm going to slice these bananas up. Not too small, not too big. Just right. The size here is just right for me. I would have had these bananas sliced up earlier, but when the air hits the bananas, it turns it brown. So that's why I have to do it at the last minute, because it turns brown really, really fast. It shouldn't take no more than like 4 bananas. Okay, that was exactly 2 bananas, 2 whole bananas. So I was right on point. Try to put as many as you can close together. Yeah, so as you can see now, the banana's trying to turn. It really won't take long. Once the air hit the bananas, you can forget about it. Best thing you can do is like hurry it up and put this baby in the refrigerator. Alright, now you just repeat the steps. Just repeat the steps. Now lay down your pudding cream. Slice up another banana. I know it needs some type of music playing. I'll have that in consideration. Lay these out straight. Okay, now I'm going to put another layer of wafers down. I'll lay another layer. This simple and easy dessert to make. You know, after a good Sunday dinner. Very simple. See, there's not enough cookies on this baby. I'm stacking them up. You don't know what I'm saying. Okay. There you have it. Good old Southern banana pudding. Yeah, it's up to you. I like mine like this, but you can sprinkle some cinnamon over yours or whatever you like. And you can put the wafers on top. You know, some people like to design their banana pudding. It's up to you. But this is the way I do it, and I hope you like my way. And I want to thank y'all for tuning into my channel today. Again, my name is Sister Faye, and I want y'all to do a favor for me, as always. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I want to thank you in advance. And I really appreciate y'all. I really do. What I'm going to do now is get some aluminum foil, wrap this baby up, put it in the refrigerator for like 30-40 minutes till it get cold. And I'm going to have a ball. I'm going to have a ball. Thank y'all again. Have a blessed day. I'm out.